Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter your gift card for Scheels. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to scheels.com. Now from here, I'm just going to search for men's clothing. So I'm going to choose these fleece pants. I'm just going to put this into my cart, choose my size. Then I'm going to click add to cart. So basically, I just need to get to my cart to enter in the gift card. All right, so I want to remove this other gift card that I've got in here. All right, so I've got these pants here. So now I'm going to click on go to cart. All right, so this is the order summary. Now I'm going to click checkout. All right, so you got to fill in your address. So I just filled in my address. That's just a fake address. Now I'm going to click on continue to ship method. Now I got to add a valid shipping address. All right, so I need to change this a bit. All right, so I'm on the payment method now after I've put in my shipping address. Now under payment method, right above credit and debit cards, we've got apply new gift card. So that's where you add in your gift card. So you put in your gift card number, gift card pin, and then go ahead and click apply. And whatever that gift card amounts to, so say if it's $25, it'll deduct off $50, then you got to pay the remaining balance either using your credit card or debit card, GPay, PayPal, etc.